Okay, this is about ionic bonding. It's part of a few of these about ionic bonding because I don't want to shove it all in one. So we'll just do it step by step, as it were. Now here I've drawn some beautiful pictures. You can see talent is phenomenal. So here we're going to look at this one first. And this atom here is, let's have a look, we've got 1, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11 electrons. And because it's an atom, it's got the same number of protons. That's the bottom number, that's sodium. Okay, so we're going to say that's sodium. Sodium. Okay, and this one over here has got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's chlorine. Now, you need to go back about ions if you don't know this. But now, if you look at this, we're saying it's got 7 electrons missing to be happy. All right, that's far too many. I'm not going to start collecting 7. Easier to get rid of this one here. Look at this lot. He's got 1, 2, 3. It's got 7 on the outer shell, so 7 full seats. If you remember, this is a stage, and we're saying that each stage is each sort of row of seats holds 8 seats, and the atom wants to have a full outer row of seats. So this one needs 1. This one can get rid of 1. So what happens is it goes. Get a sound effect there. So this one is now an ion, and this one is an ion. This one has lost a electron, so has got a charge of +1. This one has gained an electron. It has a charge of -1. And because there's 1 Na and 1 Cl together are happy, we call it NaCl, which is sodium chloride. Quite straightforward as that. Let's look at this one. This one is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The bottom number is magnesium. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, is oxygen. Oxygen. It's got 8. It needs 2. This one needs to get rid of 2. They happily please each other. Look. Ooh, like that. There you go. Now, when you draw it in an exam, they don't always ask for these middle shells. Don't get confused. They're just trying to get rid of the middle bit because it's not needed. They might just draw the outside. So like this really. So this one here is now happy. It's got 8 electrons. This one's happy because it's got a full row. One of these makes one of those happy. Let's give it its charges. It's lost 2 electrons. It has a charge of +2. It has gained 2 electrons, then so it's got a charge of -2. One makes one happy, so together they are MgO. Okay? That's ionic bonding. Because one's positive and one's negative, they stick together, as it were. They're attracted together. Now that is called electrostatic attraction. Let me write that on the next page. So here, I'll get rid of that in a minute. Okay, this is electrostatic attraction. That's what keeps these things together. One's positive, the others are negative, so they attract to each other and stay together. Let's look at this one here. Now this is oxygen again, because we said that before. So this is oxygen. These 8, 9, 11 are sodium. Now this one needs 2 to be happy. This one needs to get rid of that one there. So what happens is this sodium goes, well, you can have one of mine. Sodium is happy. It has a full outer shell. It's lost 1, so it's got a charge of +1. This one, however, is still missing a full row there. He wants that other one, so it asks another sodium comes along. It's all right, I'll make you happy, darling. Oh my goodness, I'm giving you 3. I don't want to do that. Group me, quick, ungroup. It says, right, you can have that one. Marvellous. This one's happy. Let's put his things on there. He's happy. +1. And then this one's happy now because it's got all a full out shell. It's got 2 electrons extra. So he's got a charge of -2. Now it took 2 of these to make this one happy. The metal always comes first when we name them. So that's sodium, 2 of them, and 1 oxygen. Na2O, sodium oxide. Electrostatic attraction -. Fabulous.